Why it's always happened to me? This is crazy! You put it the wrong way. The thread is...
Ah, fuck you then. I tried to...
Alright guys, and welcome to yet another video. In today's video, we're gonna be install SC-Project, this bad boy, to my brand new 2025 CBR Fireblade RR-R SP. So first thing first, we do the cold start. Like the size of that exhaust, didn't like it. It's too big. Damaged the look of this bike, okay? So let's start it. Do you hear something? I hear fuck all, boys. It's not even open yet. I have that exhaust for a week now and I didn't even open in home. Okay, so what we have here, a bracket, which I love it because it goes here behind the foot bag, a clamp, and I hope there is a sticker because my mate Hugo loved the stickers. Hugo, if you watch this, I have a set of stickers for you, my guy. God damn it. I actually, some people don't like the SC-Project. I love the way it looks. There will be like only stick in here. There'll be short can servo eliminator from Hiltech. So I didn't forget about nothing. First, we remove the seat. Okay, one side, then the other side. Okay, so now we have to go to those straps. We get them straps out because I don't like them. And that's the second one. I don't know that I'm gonna put that back now. What we needed here, this is a push pin, but there is a tool bolts here. Second one. Okay, and now we have to wiggle the way. I don't want to break this. This is a shit show already. I think I tried to take whole tail instead of that here because this is loose, but this is completely mounted to this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna do this because I think that'd be much easier. Okay. I think we do a little progress here. All right, I think I know what I need to do. I need to remove this bit as well. Anyway, I have a tail tidy here as well. So advise, if you're thinking to put the tail tidy and a pipe as well, do it in one go. That's the connectors to the light. I'm looking for connectors to the indicators. Okay, so as I said, that's the connectors. Okay, two more push pins. Finally, now let's unplug the indicators. So there is a socket here, and there's the indicators and the fucking registration plate light. So the tail is gone, fuck it. Okay, so what we're gonna do it now is we're gonna lose this piece of fairing here, the big one and the small ones. Okay, so right now what we have to do when I have it here is remove this, that's the servo motor. Disconnect the servo motor. We're gonna plug straight away the servo eliminator so we don't have an engine code light, engine fault light. I'm not sure if that cable be any good for later, but I finally have it. Okay, line goes here, goes here. Instead of pushing this out, I stick the screwdriver, pull the line on the top of it, and then squeeze it out. This is gone. Cables. One. Okay, I have to release the foot bag anyway. Okay, and now we have easy access to that fucking second one. That's it. Yeah, we finally have it. And this bastard exhaust. Woo! Woo! After nearly fucking hours fighting with this thing, this beautiful Akrapovic CBR Fireblade exhaust goes to the fucking bin. Fuck it. Let it go. Cause the new exhaust is titanium, and I don't want it leave the fingerprints. Doctor is here. Let me just, what's this? Is this like a tape? What the fuck is this? This is like a heat shield tape here. and I have to take this off, I think. Yeah, so the bracket goes here under this, and then I think this goes like this, and like, okay, so there is a pieces goes together. Okay, hold on. So let's mount this first, move that a little bit, so we have an easy access to doing it. Yeah, like this. Okay, so the pipe is there. Okay, definitely we found a spot. Definitely it's here. Perfect. So then I know this goes one side, this goes the other side. Yes. See, this is a fucking joke, guys. I have to say. Why it's always happened to me? Why? Can someone fucking tell me why? What I'm struggling right now, right, is I mount the bracket as it is here, and as you see, the top bolt is fit perfectly. The bottom one, it's not. There is a bit of wiggle I can do in it, but in the meantime, before I try to figure out the different bracket for the exhaust, I'm gonna drill this hole bigger. So, because that anyway, it's just going through and then wiggle it somehow, so it's actually work. But I don't have a drill on me, so my friend Jack, Moto Jack, link in the bio for his video. He just started his YouTube channel, so give him a subscribe as well, please, guys, because he's always helped me with everything. So in the meantime, he bring me a drill, because I forget my one is in home. I'm gonna poke back this tail and fit tail tidy for NRC this bit, put it back in. Perfect. So now we have our tail tidy from NRC, and we use the same bolts. So I tied them up already. So this is that NRC tail tidy. This piece here. Okay. This looks, at this moment, still looks simple. Okay. Boom. And we have indicators. This is actually easy, much easier than this flipping exhaust. Now, wiggle here. Yep.
I'll be down to yours about 6 o'clock.
Yeah, so that was Jack, and he always helped me. So I'm gonna put this here. We back with this stuff again. Okay, one and one flipping more. One, all plugged in, so there shouldn't be cold problem. Lights on. Okay, so that's wrong. So this one and this one has to be the other way around. Okay, let's double check it. Lights are here. Perfect. Left, there is a left. Right, there is a right. Stop, there is a stop. And then hazard lights. There are hazard lights. So now all we have to do is put back piece by piece together. Nearly scratch the fucking thing. This is done. I think we're nearly in home, guys. Yep. Oh, this is clean. Seat. Okay. All right, lads. So there is a help coming over. Jack from Moto Jack YT. That's what I call.
Yep.
So what we've done already, because as I said before, the exhaust is from 2020 to 2023 model, so the bracket didn't work. So what we've done, we drill a bigger holes, 12 mil drill bit, isn't it?
Yep.
And now we try to squeeze that exhaust somehow, because there's no chance this bike gonna leave this fucking garage with the original Akrapovic anymore. So it's still fucked.
How far is it off?
If we, come here.
It's up to you now.
No, of course we can do that. This has to be just fucking, this has to go work. Like, there is no other option. I don't take no for answer here.
Conor McGregor's last words.
Sure. So we make that hole much bigger. Now, I think this has to go work. There is no other option. You put it the wrong way.
Ah, fuck you then. I try to help and he's never
You helped. Listen, if you
yeah,
wasn't there today with that fucking drill. No, you put it in a good way. I flip it around. So that was a Moto Jack fault.
Fucking replay.
So all we have is the bottom here is still loose. So we have a wiggle room. Here,
Like your mama.
I'm gonna tie this up.
We
How's the same?
always lose a bolt when we're working.
You're not gonna believe it.
See, Lukey is the beauty. I'm the mechanic.
Guys, it's finally happened. We drilled that, we wiggled that, we drilled that, we wiggled that, and it's done. The best way is just make the bracket, like different bracket beforehand. Just measure up, but we didn't have time because we go for the ride out tomorrow,
Yep.
which we organize. And I have to go with the new exhaust. I can't go with that fucking Aquacan, which he love it, I hate it.
Lukey just wants to be louder than Hugo. Lukey's gonna be louder than Hugo. I'll be faster than Hugo. Hugo will get pissed off. Do you want me to do it?
No, I'm gonna do it. Because otherwise you'd be laughing at me.
I'm right.
Guys, it's fucking done. SC-Project CRT.
No, you're going the right way. But you don't tighten the shit out of it. That's it. It's just to stop. Oh!
No, that's it.
No, this is gonna rub.
Oh, what? No, it's not gonna rub. Have a look on it. Oh, yeah, because the swing arm is actually moving.
Undo your bolts, and then we're gonna have to. You
Okay,
take.
guys, you know what? Let me just do the first start, because it has to be done, yeah?
Do you want to stand here and I'll start it so you get the full what the fuck?
Yeah, and guys, because what happened right now, I'm very tight here with the swing arm, so we have to bend that little bit. There is a short gap, small gap, but we need to bend it a little bit more, okay? So right now what we do is just the cold start. What do you take the key for?
Because it wasn't close enough. I tried turning.
Okay, okay,
I know.
okay. God damn it. If that won't be... Hold on.
You're not
If
even in frame, man. He's too excited.
if that won't be loud enough, I'm gonna lost it. Hit me. Hugo. Fucking bitch.
Silence. Music's gonna happen here now.
Oh my god! I don't fucking know what happened here. This is joke. And this bike still have a fucking cat.
Oh, fuck!
This is crazy. I looking for wide, but not. I looking for a loud one, but not obnoxious.
Cut to Lukey's last video where you said Tom's Gixxer was too loud and Lukey wants to be a bit more mature.
Guys,
Fuck this, one more time.
don't do it. Hey. This is fucking crazy. It might be much louder here because the echo.
Yeah, but still though, that's...
Still, we go for the spin when we finish. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Like, leave the comment, subscribe to the channel. More video to come. We have the same shit to do with the MT-07. Accidentally, I say MT-09. I don't know now why. I'm already dreaming about the bigger bike. So, leave like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Moto Jack YT.
Hello.
New guy on the YouTube. Follow him.
Starting off.
He just started off his POV journey. Tell them to
Lukey
start
kept
doing more
pushing me
video.
and I got annoyed, so I was like,
So-
screw it, I'll do it.
In the meantime, we're gonna finish here and see you in the next one. Peace! We push the blade here in the middle of fucking nowhere, and we do the cold start again to hear without the echoey how loud it is. Jack, start the engine. That's crazy. Go for the spin, up and down. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's loud.